Hi, welcome to our internship results management system. It's a role-based web app, so what you see depends on who you log in as. When you sign in, we check the account against the user's table, and the password is stored and compared as a hash. For the demo, we're all using the same default password. As an admin, the first thing you get is a dashboard. The key numbers are right there, easy to read, and the quick actions jump you straight to the other tools. Next, we go to user management. That's where we onboard students and assessors. And it's really the starting point of the whole workflow. The page is split into two tabs, students and assessors, and you can use edit and delete to change or remove a user. One feature we're proud of is CSV bulk import. You can drag in the template or pick a file. The upload runs as an async request in the background, so the page doesn't freeze. And when it finishes, the list refreshes automatically. For delete, you have to type delete in full so you don't remove someone by mistake, and you can also use the search bar to find people. Next is internship management, where we link a student, a company, and an assessor in one form. A major differentiator here is our second unique solution, asynchronous inline entity creation. If a host organization isn't in the database yet, I don't have to leave the page. I just type, create it inline, and the Smart Select wires the new foreign key through the company's table before I save. It keeps the user workflow entirely uninterrupted. Under the hood, the schema is relational. The internship table ties together student, company, and assessor, and assessments are one-to-one with an internship. MySQL triggers recalculate the total using the course's fixed weighting, and for edge cases we also write to audit logs on the internship results view. You can also utilize the integrated search bar to query specific records efficiently. The admin can use advanced filters to narrow the list. The filter options are quite detailed, so you can really drill into what you need. To further organize your view, you can sort the data by clicking any column header, ordering records by student ID, alphabetically from A to Z, or by scores in descending order. On the assessor workload page, the admin can see at a glance how many students are assigned to each assessor, which helps balance the load. You can also click View Details to jump to that assessor's user record. On grade alerts, the system flags failing grades automatically so admins get a heads up, and you can hit Dismiss to clear an alert if you've already handled it. Now, let's log out to switch roles. Switching to the assessor experience, you can see a workbench that lists only their placements, filtered by the signed-in assessor ID. If you open the evaluation page without choosing a placement first, you get a clear empty state. At the top, you have the student's context, and on the side we use a monochromatic donut chart so the 8 rubric weights are obvious at a glance. They match the weights defined for the course. You enter marks in the sections below, and the panel on the right shows the weighted total and the grade band in real time. On the export page, we provide an official style transcript, A4 layout, clear headers, and the weighting explained. You can use the browser's print dialog to get a PDF. And you can also export all rows as CSV for further analysis. The student view is read-only. The student screen is organized in 3 tabs, and scores and written feedback are laid out, so the registry can check each component, and the student can review things with their supervisor in a follow-up. The headline for us is the Kinetic Style Radar. For placements that are completed and marked, the radar animates on the canvas and shows strengths and weaknesses across the same dimensions the assessor used, and you can export the radar image too. To wrap up, from async bulk import and inline entity creation, to a weight donut, a kinetic radar, and a printable official transcript, all backed by a normalized database. That is our full demo-ready system. Thank you.